Do you believe that education is one of the most valuable gifts we can give our children? Do you want to maximize your child's brain potential? We are with you. Apart from being scientists and educators, we're parents, just like you. And we're excited that you also want the best for your children. We have developed an early learning program based on cognitive principles and learning strategies that were first applied in Europe and have proven to be highly effective. Early participants have excelled at top universities in Europe, including Oxford and Cambridge. Our program recognizes the importance of the early years of brain development and harnesses a child's exceptional ability to learn subconsciously. Our program empowers you to help your child maximize her or his brain potential and accelerates your child's learning skills. Take control. Don't leave your child's brain potential to chance. Learn more today.